Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make August tree leaves water. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken a bunch of August tree leaves. Separate the leaves from the stem. You can easily pull out the leaves. This August tree leaves is a very healthy ingredient. It boosts your immunity. It is a powerful antioxidant, has antimicrobial effects, regulates your diabetics, prevents cancer and strengthens bones. Now we have separated all the leaves. Transfer the leaves to a bowl like this. To this add a cup of water. Clean wash the leaves well. Then transfer the leaves to a mixer jar. Grind it to a very fine paste. Then to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Today I have taken a cup like this. Filter and add the August tree leaves water to it. Finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice and half cup of water. Lemon again helps in weight loss. Mix it well. Now our delicious and healthy August tree leaves water is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this August tree leaves water once in a week for best results. It helps in your weight loss, so do try this August tree leaves water recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.